Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to install WordPress template in our hosting plan. For the purpose of this video, I will be using my hosting plan which is just now set up for hotstand.in domain. Let us see it here. We are going to use this hosting plan for installing WordPress template. This is associated with my domain hotstand.in. I will begin by clicking on the button Manage, which is in this box. Control panel for the hosting plan hotstand.in has opened before me. I will go to the sections in this control panel called Web Applications. Since I want to install WordPress template, I will use the program WordPress inside this section. Here it is. I will click on it. The process of installing WordPress template will begin. Click on this button which is titled Install this application. A form titled Installtron has opened before me. I will fill up this form with necessary information. Let me begin with the section Location. Here, the first text box is asking me to enter domain, which is already entered here. Leave it unchanged. Next box is directory. It is optional. Leave it blank and proceed to section version. Again, in the text box version, already a version 4.7.2 is entered. Leave it unchanged. Go to the next text box, language. I am going to use English language, so leave it unchanged. Go to the next setting. I accept the license agreement. Leave it selected. Next setting is automatic update. At present, a selection is made before update to new minor versions and security releases. Leave it unchanged. Go to the next selection. It is WordPress plugin automatic update. Leave it unchanged and go to the next setting. WordPress theme automatic update. Again, leave this unchanged and go to the next setting. Automatic update backup. Leave this setting as it is. Next section is about settings. The first setting is administrator username. Some details are entered here by the program. Change these details with the username that you want to use. I am going to use the username hotstand. Next section is administrative password. Here again, some details are entered by the program. Change it to your required password. Next selection or setting is administrator email. Here again, some email address is entered by the program. Change it to the email address that you want to use for this domain. I am using email hotstand.in@rediffmail.com for the purpose of this demo. Next setting is website title. Enter suitable title for your website. I will enter here hot stand. Next setting is website tagline. Please enter suitable tagline for your website. I will use the tagline simple advertising tool because that is what hot stand is. Next selection is two-factor authentication. Without going into much details, simply change it to do not enable two-factor authentication. Next setting is limit login attempts. Here again select no, do not limit failed login attempts. This is that selection. Next setting is enable multi-sites. For the time being, keep it unchanged at no, do not enable. Multi-site can be enabled later within WordPress. Now we will come to the last section of this long form. It is advanced. Here only one setting is required, and that is advanced setting management. Leave the setting unchanged as it is. Now we have filled up this form correctly, and we will now press the button install. Processing will begin. Installation of WordPress template is almost complete. 3 links are placed before you. Click on the link hotstand.in. You will reach a page of your website www.hotstand.in. In your case, the page of your website will open before you. Just scroll down this page. You will find one sample post which is placed in your site under name Hello World. This is just a sample. Please go back to the top of your page. The process of setting up your WordPress template is now complete. Here onwards, it is your duty to make necessary changes and make sure that the site is exactly as per your requirements. You will be doing that in next several tutorials. We will stop here. Thanks for watching this video.